faculty, teacher, let's give him a round of applause.
Alright, so good morning once again. So I am here to give you some inputs about aquarium and a terrarium. Okay, so at least you will be able to bring nature into your home or any places, or you can mimic some sceneries from the nature, so you don't need to go to the woods or forest just to see how great nature is. So you will make your own ecosystem by using these terrariums and aquariums. So at least you can see the miracles of nature. You can see the beauty of nature. Okay? So first is we will gonna do the aquarium. So from the word aquarium, you will gonna use water. Okay? So and the water must be a fresh water, of course. Okay? So that is aquarium. And of course, since this is a closed environment, this is a closed ecosystem. So of course, you have to take care of it after you are done with anything. So of course you have to take care of it. Make sure the plants have enough sunlight. Make sure the living things inside the aquarium are thriving. So you have to take care. So it is very important to, after you made this one, you have to take care of it. No? Hindi lang siya ilagay nyo dyan sa gilid, hindi nyo ilagay dyan. And then after that, tapos na. So you have to take care. Okay, you must be responsible of this aquarium and terrarium. Okay, so first thing is that you need a tank. It must be a fish bowl or this kind of tank. Okay, so but if you really want to make a big aquarium, I suggest that you use this one. Okay, so since you are just a beginner, so we will use this fish bowl. Alright, so as you can observe, some aquariums use artificial plants, right? Some artificial pebbles like that. So in this moment, we will gonna use real plants that could really thrive inside the fish bowl. Alright, so in order for the plants to thrive, of course, we need a soil, but in a freshwater aquarium has this specialized soil, and we call this as aqua soil. So it will not make your tank cloudy. Kasi kung ito ang gagamitin natin na soil, yung sa soil talaga sa lupa, so it will make cloudy. No? So we will use a soil or aqua soil. Actually, these are made of clays from near the volcanoes. So that, yes, so some nutrients, so nutrients that needs from the plant, so nandito na. So dahan-dahan lang paglagay. Alright, make sure you put enough soil so that the plants could make it roots inside the soil. Ayan, so you have to use this. This is not a chopstick. This is a tweezer. So you use this to plant because if you use your hand to plant, so it will gonna Alright. Okay, since we will mimic the nature or inside the forest, of course we will use some driftwood. Driftwood, I have here some driftwood. So driftwood can be sold in an aquascaping store, but if you have farms, so you can get some also driftwood. Yeah. So things like that. Be creative in putting these woods like that. Alright, by the way, do not put water first in making your aquarium. Okay? Yeah, so later na yung water. So you have to decorate, make hardscape. Hardscape ang tawag dito. Decorate and now there will be a tendency that these woods will float, no? So you have to put some stones to put some weight from the woods. Kasi paglagay nyo ng water, tapos magaan pa yung woods, hindi pa siya naka-submerge sa water, the tendency mag-float siya. Tapos masisira din yung decorations. Okay, so lagyan talaga siya ng mga stones. To make it natural, you have to use these stones yung natural yung color. Wag yung colorful na pebbles, no? Kasi hindi siya, it doesn't look natural. Okay. Parang artificial lang siya. Yan. I think it's enough. Alright. But if you don't have aqua soil, you can use this one, but you need maintenance. So, for example, if you are done making your aquarium, so you have to change water, I think daily, so that hindi siya mag-cloudy, no? Itong aqua soil, kapag ginagamit nyo ito, after nyo malagyan ng tubig, hindi na siya color brown, no? Clear na siya. And if you are using this kind of aquarium, make sure you have also filter, no, to filter the dirt, or add some decomposers like snails, like shrimps, freshwater shrimps. They are decomposers in the aquarium. Okay, snails or some algae eater na fish. Diba? Ano yan? Decomposers. Alright. So after you are done making your hardscape, feel mo na okay na yan, sir. Sprinkle mo lang ng water, konti, para easier yung pagplant ng aquatic plants. Alright, so there are so many aquatic plants, but I will gonna use this hydrilla. We call this as hydrilla. Nandun yan sa aquarium, kinuha ko lang. Ay, doon sa pond. Hydrilla plants is easier to grow with less light, with less maintenance. Tutubo pa rin siya, no? Grow pa rin siya. So, just add some, just get one and then plant. Laba. And then, plant again. Sir, what if wala akong ganito? Pwede ba chopstick? Kung kaya nyo, okay? So, pwede din kamay. Pero mahirap siya kasi meron kang mga decorations. For example, kamay. Mahirap siya. Okay, after you made this one, sir, I really wanted to put fish already. No, you have to wait for 1 week in order to build bacteria, to build good bacteria inside your aquarium. You need it so that your plants and other living things inside the aquarium will thrive. No? So, just wait. Kasi marami pang mga chemicals from the aqua soil. So, just wait for 1 week and then you change water. Sir, how about, what if I will change water? So, sir, mag-change ako ng water kasi 1 week na siya. So, how are you going to do it? Are you going to to rescape everything? To get everything? Yes or no? What are you going to do? Yes.
We're gonna do something to remove the water without removing the plants.
Okay, correct. What else?
Water pump.
Water pump or water filter. Okay, correct. So, if you change water, do not remove everything. So, it will mangyayari is maruin yung mo, aquarium. So do not remove everything, just get 50% of the water and then add new water. Okay, just get 50%. Do not change everything. So how are you going to get 50% of the aquarium's water? So just get parang lang, yung baso, kunin nyo lang, ganyan, until dito na siya yung water. Okay, of course, you have to change water, no? Kasi this is closed environment. Hindi yung river na flowing. Okay, so closed environment, you have to change water. Alright, okay na siguro ito. So let's add water. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay. And I have some snail, pond snail. So it will serve as decomposers. Will decompose some waste from the plants and the other living things like fish. So add some snails. Sir, mamatay yung snails. Hindi yan siya mamatay kasi yung snails? Yung parang decomposers nga. Alright. So let's add water. What? No. This is freshwater snails. Snails that live in the water. What? It's up to you if forever na ito, no? And then if you see something in the nature and then, sir, I really wanted to make that kind of scenery. Then you will rescape your aquarium. Alright? Yes?
How long does the snail live?
How long? Approximately around 1 to 2 years. Especially some ornamental fish, they live approximately 1 to 2 years. The guppy, the swordstay, the goldfish, and other. Okay, so let's add water. May maliit ka na, sir. May maliit ka na. Ay, okay, sige. Okay. So, in adding water, you have to be careful. Okay. Slowly lang na hindi masira yung mo. Hindi masira yung aquascape mo. Aquascape ang tawag dito, or aquarium. So, you will use your hand to at least hindi direct yung paglagay ng water. Ayan. See? Parang lang. Alright, for water, dapat hindi yung galing sa faucet na water, ha? Kasi it contains chlorine. So if you put directly faucet water or tap water, so the tendency is mag-melt yung plant kasi real plant yung nilagay natin. And of course, living things inside your aquarium will die, probably die. Alright, I think it's enough. Okay na ba siya? Okay. Foggy pa siya sa start, but after 2 days, clear na yan siya. Especially if you have filter. Sino may aquarium sa bahay? Marami pala. Di ba may filter kayo? much better na mineral water. Alright, if you want to visit and see my creations, I have one in grade 2 faculty. So you can observe and watch the outcome of this aquarium. No? Tingnan niyo doon ano yung kasi 1 year na yon. So maganda na yung pagka-set up, very natural na siya. So okay na ito. If you want to add some plants, i-add nyo lang. Since this is easily grow plants, tataas talaga ito about I think 12 inches. So use this plant as a background. Para hindi na yung sticker na background sa aquarium nyo. Di ba? May aquarium kayo na sticker yung background. Para hindi na ganun, ito na ang i-background nyo. Then add some stones in front para mag-look natural siya. Alright. Kasi fishbowl kasi ito, so parang yung reflection sa plants and woods, parang ano siya, parang ganito siya. Pero kapag itong gamitin nyo, maganda siya tingnan. Okay? So are we good with the aquarium? So again, you need tank, aqua soil. Kung walang aqua soil, pwede na siya sand. Pwedeng sand. Meron ako sand dito. O, pwede din lagyan ng sand sa front para magmukha siyang nakalimutan ko palang sand. O, pwede nyo lagyan ng sand. Kung wala ka aqua soil, you can use sand. Okay? Or stones. Basta wag yung pebbles, ha? Yung color-color. Kasi hindi siya natural tingnan. Alright, so we are done with the aquarium.
Okay, very good. Those people here in front, they are really listening. People at the back. So those who got the aquatic group, that's your point of reference, how you make it, okay? Those who got the terrestrial group, okay, please watch.
Alright, for terrestrial aquarium or terrarium, okay. So of course, we will not gonna use water. Kasi terrestrial nga, from the word terra. Okay. So for this one, we need, of course, tank. I think this is the easier to do, no? Kasi walang maintenance, walang water na ma-change, walang so dito mas easier siya. Maglagay ka lang ng mga decomposers like this one. Kuha ko dito sa garden, dito. Some decomposers. And okay na yung mo. Yes. What? You can buy sand from the pet shop. Or yes. Yes. All right. So are you ready for the terrarium? Okay, this is terrarium, this is aquarium. But you can combine two, no? Ang tawag dyan is paludarium. So upper part of your aquarium is use terrestrial plant, and then the bottom part, konti lang yung water, is water. So that is paludarium. Okay, it's easy. Just add some soil. It can be garden soil or clay-like soil para mas madali.
Sir, excuse me. Excuse me, is people at the back. Let's continue, okay?
Alright, so add some soil. Okay, make sure you elevate. You put a lot of soils at the background or at the back of your aquarium. Elevate. Okay, maganda ito kasi at least hindi ka na pupunta sa mga forest, sa mga woods. Tingnan nyo lang yung terrarium. And then, may gumagapang na mga ants, mga worm. Ang ganda, no? To get away of your gadget naman. So, take good care of your terrarium. Alright? And I have here some rocks or stones. To make it natural, look for a rock that is this, parang texture. Ganito siya, parang mountain siya na pagka-rock, no? Nandyan yan sa paligid na yung bahay, sa backyard. Yes. Nandito, meron ka nito? Good. And then another rock. Yes. So if you have decomposers, you add some, pwede siya lagyan mo ng grasshopper. Grasshopper, pwede. Okay? And then some stones. Some wood, or you can use woods that can be found in your backyard. Pwede na ito. Small trees. Pwede din siya. Yes. Alright, so it's up to you what kind of decoration that you want to put inside the terrarium. Alright, so we are done with our hardscape. Hardscape ang tawag dito. Ito yung una na step. Huwag ka muna mag-plant na after na yung mga stones ha. Kasi ang tendency, ano yung mga plants. So after you make your decoration, I think sir, okay na to. So add some moss, terrestrial moss, to make it natural. You can make it as a carpet.
Yes, I love carpet.
We'll get this first. Alright, I get this moss dyan lang din sa garden. So, tingnan nyo yung part ng bahay nyo na merong nagadrip ng water, nandun yung mga moss. Okay? Yung less sunlight and may nagadrip na water, or yung parang daanan ng rainwater, nandun yung mga moss. Okay, mas easy ito kaya you don't need filter. Oh, wala nang water. Oh, plants na lang and then other materials. Just wait for after a month to build some good bacteria. So, month or 2 weeks. I think there are some bacteria from the soil. And then some plants.
But did you already put animal food here?
Yes, I have here some. Oh,
This grasshopper. Or flies. What is flies? Oh, that's like the water fly.
okay. For terrestrial, you can add plants from your backyard lang din. Makita lang siya sa backyard niyo.
Like grass.
Oh, like grass. Okay. You can add some twigs to make it natural. And some ferns. This is ferns.
You got it from the garden? Yeah, you got it from the garden.
From the garden. Okay, ferns.
That's where you find the, that's where you find the,
Ferns. Ano?
those plants are found in the garden.
And then some dried leaves para meron yung puntahan yung mga decomposers or para to make it look natural. Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba? And then saan yung decomposer? So I have decomposer, makita lang ito, oh. Parang centipede na Oh. Parang centipede na diyan lang siya, ilagay natin. And then some ants, I have here, sana yun? Baka nalagay na dyan. Oo. Okay. Alright, so we are done with the terrarium. Okay. So look at the decomposer. Makita nyo. Ayan siya. Nag-explore na siya sa tank. O, isa-isa lang. Isa-isa lang. Okay, per section na lang ang pagpunta dito. Per section. Okay, per section na lang.
Go back, Fernie. Go back. Wait for your turn. Okay.
Go back to your place.
We will bring the terrarium and aquarium tomorrow in the class so that you can see it closely, okay?
Ito pa, meron pang decompose. Napunta siya. Okay, so first, okay na, time na.
Okay.